How to add custom font in CapCut Desktop. To add a custom font in CapCut Desktop is, of course, we need a custom font first. So to do that, open your browser and type in thefont.com. This website has various fonts that you can choose from. If you want to look for more fonts, scroll down until you see all the new fonts button and click it. For this example, I'm going to be using the font Bali Bliss right here. On the right hand side, click on download. It will download the zip file for you. Once downloaded, locate the file and you can either unzip it here or just double click it. From here, copy the true type font file and paste it somewhere on your desktop. Once done, open your CapCut. Then, open a project. To test the font, on the upper left-hand side, click on the Text tab and drag a default text into the timeline like this. On the upper right-hand side, under the Basic tab, edit the custom text such as by renaming it. And we can try the custom font that we have just downloaded into our text. You can either search for the font or you can see it under the System Font drop-down right here. And there you have it. You have your custom font. You can now continue customizing the text such as resizing, adding effects, and adding a color to it. And there you go. We have successfully added a custom font in CapCut Desktop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.